Gorman-Rupp's line of S-Series submersible pumps are ideal for moving water at a mine, quarry, tunnel, or construction site, and they don't quit until the job is done. For extreme-duty dewatering applications, wider-based models offer high-head, high-volume liquid flow operation. If space is a concern, slim-based models are designed to fit in hard-to-reach locations where other pumps cannot. MSHA-approved pumps are available with explosion-proof motors where safe, reliable pumping is required. For smaller dewatering jobs, Gorman-Rupp offers a complete line of lightweight, submersible utility pumps, ideal for dewatering flooded basements, pools, or ponds. All S-Series pumps are designed to keep the motor as cool as possible to help extend your pump's life. Liquid flow between the pump's inner and outer housing walls prevents overheating. The quality construction of materials and components that go into each Gorman-Rupp submersible pump prevents premature wear. This guarantees quiet, long-lasting, trouble-free operation under the liquid surface time after time.